Hey, how's it going, my techie nation? The official teaser for the Galaxy S25 lineup is here, and it clearly shows 4 devices: the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the S25 Slim. All of these will be powered by the latest generation of Galaxy AI features. From the animation, it looks like we're going to see the smartest version of Bixby ever created, making the S25 lineup extremely exciting. What's even more thrilling is the leak of the official renders from Samsung for the S25 series, shared by Roland Quant from WinFuture. Looking at the official renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's looking great. We haven't seen the front bezels until now, and this gives us a better idea of how thin they are. Honestly, it might have the thinnest bezels on a phone. The back of the device is pretty much what we've seen in previous leaks, with a quad camera setup. This includes 2 zoom sensors, a 200MP main sensor, and a new 50MP ultrawide sensor. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus also look fantastic in the new icy blue color. What's exciting is that Samsung is now bringing the Qi 2 wireless charging standard to all the S25 series models. This means a massive boost in wireless charging capability, although you'll need to use a case for this feature to work. Wireless charging speeds might finally see an upgrade to 25 watts, up from 15 watts, which is a solid improvement. Let me know what you think about the official look of the S25 series in the comments below. Now, let's dive into the Galaxy AI features that are about to make their debut on the S25 series. According to Ice Universe, these new Galaxy AI features will set a new benchmark, putting Samsung ahead of Apple and teaching them how it's done. Remember when Samsung introduced these useful Galaxy AI features with the S24 series? They were the first to do it, long before Apple, and now they're about to take it even further with the Galaxy S25 series. However, it's important to note that some of these powerful Galaxy AI features might require a paid subscription, so keep that in mind. Lastly, alongside the Galaxy S25 series, we might also see the second generation of the Galaxy Ring, as well as Samsung's upcoming Galaxy XR headset. The Unpacked event is shaping up to be packed with exciting announcements. Let me know your thoughts on all the leaks and the official design of the S25 series in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Techie Nation.